Well, hello guys, welcome to the another playlist. From now on this channel will be only developing application and learning Android development with the help of Kotlin language. Why is it that so? Let's discuss that in this video. Uh, First of all, whoever is new in Android development should start with Kotlin. Whoever is new with programming should start with Kotlin. They should learn Kotlin language first and then start Android development. And whoever is already familiar with Java language will they will find it very easy to learn Kotlin language. And whoever is already familiar with Android development with Java, they will be very very comfortable from switching to Kotlin from Java. So I have written a Medium article which takes about 2 minutes to read, which says why what you should choose, what language you should choose, Kotlin or Java, if you're starting to learn Android development. And I would advise you to read that. It would just take about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 paragraphs of that. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Please go there and read that for a couple of minutes, and it will help you to have an idea of what language to go with for Android development, right? Let's discuss about the main reasons why Kotlin should be your first preference to learn Android development. First of all, there's Google's preference, Android's preference as first language for Android, right? Google is supporting Kotlin as a first preference. Second is companies. If you are looking for a job as an Android developer, companies will be looking for Kotlin in a resume. I've seen in India that many companies was not ready to move from Java to Kotlin because developers have already worked with Java for so many years now. They felt a little uncomfortable to moving to a new language. But now, even in the countries like India, most of every companies, not many, most of them, almost every companies are looking for Kotlin developers if they are hiring for a new developer, right? So you should have Kotlin knowledge to get a job in company, to get a job as an Android developer. And even if you don't want to job, if you want to freelance, Kotlin should be your first preference, because now on in the websites like Upwork and Freelancer, you will be getting a Kotlin requirement as an Android developer, right? Other than that, Kotlin is very easy to learn language, and it's compatible for Android as well. So Kotlin versus Java, the main thing between them is null safety, right? In Kotlin code, code will not even compile if an object is null. It will give an error while it is compiling. So compile time errors are actually good to better than runtime error. It's a less pain in the ass kind of thing. So yeah, uh, every Java library is supported in Kotlin, so you don't have to worry about that as well. There are very less lines of code in Kotlin compared to Java. Then Kotlin coroutines. Well, it's very interesting topic. It's a bit of advanced topic as well. So we are not gonna cover coroutines in this particular playlist. But you can think of coroutine as lightweight threads in Java. It handles the asynchronous process, and yeah, it's sort of a threading, but not exactly like that. It's a bit of an advanced topic, so we're gonna make another separate video or a series of videos just about Kotlin coroutines. So yeah, subscribe to the channels to get an update about that as well. And yeah, less lines of code is always good. So I hope you got an idea why Kotlin is better than Java for Android development specifically, right? And yeah, who's new to programming, it's not that Kotlin is easy to learn and Java is hard to learn. No, if you don't know Java, Kotlin language is easy to learn. If you know Java, right? And if you know Kotlin, Java language is easy to learn. So it's just a different language. It's just a different programming language with a little bit of different syntax. It supports all the object-oriented concepts. It has everything that Java has, but in a better way than Java. So yeah, I hope you get the difference, and I hope you get everything. And now from the next video, we'll start learning Kotlin language in this playlist. So I'll see you guys in the next video.